Hi, you guys. Thanks for checking in today. Today's teen program is a Snow White movie night. And this is so cool because I thought it would be really fun to check out the Snow White book or a version of the Snow White tale, read it, and then gather your friends together for a Snow White movie night. And you can make Poision Apple Mocktails, which I'll show you how to make here in just a minute, and watch the Snow White movie with your friends. So that will be really, really cool. But first of all, I want to share with you a couple of these Snow White variations. I love this one, The Sleeper and the Spindle by Neil Gaiman. This is a reimagined fairy tale that has a queen, a castle, dwarves, a witch, but it's not the prince who does the rescuing in this one. So I'm sure you'll love this. This is a great variation of the Snow White tale. Another one is called Mirror, Mirror, and this is by Jen Kalanita. So Snow sets off on a quest to stop the evil queen, but in this retelling, it's told from alternating perspectives. So part of it is told by Snow, and then part of it by the evil queen, and back and forth, which gives it a really kind of scary and unusual twist to this. So Mirror, Mirror. Another one that I really like, and if you love romance, you'll love this one. It's Snow White and Rose Red by Patricia Reed. And if you love magic, then this one's for you. It's set in the enchanted forest of England at the time of Queen Elizabeth. And this is a great read as well. So keep those in mind. And then, of course, we have, the classic Snow White tale. So do a little reading about Snow White, enjoy one of these variations, and then get your friends together and you'll want to check out the Snow White DVD or perhaps Snow White and the Huntsman. I love this one. And check that out. Also at the library, you can pick up a Snow White movie night game printout, and this is fun to do with your friends during the movie, and it has some fun activities on it that you guys can do together as a group. So are you guys ready to make your delicious Poison Apple Mocktails? Don't worry, it's not poisonous. All right, what you'll need is a glass. You'll need some apple juice, some sparkling apple cider or sparkling plain juice, some butterscotch, some grenadine, and grenadine is not hard to find. You can find this at the grocery store. Along, like in the beer and wine aisle, but grenadine to give it color, kosher salt, and and some apples for garnish. So the first thing you'll want to do is put some of that kosher salt here on a plate, and just sprinkle that around. You'll need a good amount on there. Do not use table salt. You really do need to use kosher salt for this. And then another plate, you'll have some of the butterscotch. And just squeeze that on there and get that all around on your plate. And then you are going to twirl the rim of your glass right in the butterscotch, just like this. And then right down into the salt. Just giving it a beautiful coating around the rim of the salt, the kosher salt, and the butterscotch. Then you're going to fill the glass about half full with apple juice. And the other half of the way with the sparkling cider. And then you're going to add some of the grenadine in here. And I didn't measure it. You just need to pour some of this in to turn the mocktail red. And it just gives it that beautiful red color. And give it just a little stir. That's beautiful, sweet, slightly fizzy, and again, so far no poison, so we're good as far as that goes. All right. Then we're going to want to take an apple and getting just the smallest, slightest, thinnest wedge. You'll use this for the garnish around your glass. So just a small wedge of apple there. And I just kind of put a little bit of a slit or a cut into the center, and then just use that to garnish your glass. Oh, that is delicious. Sweet, appley, a little salty, but really, really good. So I would love for you guys to pop into the library, check out the Snow White movie, pick up one of these game activity pages, all the ingredients that you need to make your mocktail, and get your friends together and have a great night. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and let me know how you enjoyed, how you liked your Poison Apple Mocktail. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.